Hey everybody, David here at ScreenBeam at InfoComm 2026. We are here to show off ScreenBeam more than wireless display, and what does that mean? Well, part of that more than wireless display means you get admin tools as availability. Right now you get licensing for this on any of the ScreenBeams that you have, and the ability to do more than wireless display, which means alerting, so I can do full alerts and lockdowns. We also partner with folks like Raptor, Centegix, Single Wire, alert us to be able to have their tie-ins to this. I can create messages and send out messages. And I can also do signage, which is really popular right now. So I can come in here, I'm just going to show you a draft. You can see I get a full preview of what my signage is going to look like after I've set up my playlist. I'm going to schedule that signage here, put in the date, and we'll put in today's date, and we'll have it set to run right now. And I'm going to click next, find the receivers, or I can run this on all my receivers. And I'm going to go ahead and schedule it. And so we'll see it come up here, and now that signage is instantly available on the screen. So this is part of our admin tools, and it allows you to do more with your ScreenBeam. So come on to see us at InfoComm if you're here, but if you're not, thanks for watching, and come and see more information at ScreenBeam.com.